Advertising suggestions for a bankruptcy practice. All right, so what I would do for a bankruptcy attorney, I'm going to give the same advice I always give. You figure out a small problem that your ideal clients have, and you create a free guide or a free video series that teaches them how to solve that problem. So for bankruptcy, right? Think about people that are going through bankruptcies. They probably have a lot of bill collectors calling. They want to get rid of their debt. They probably have bad credit. They probably want to buy a house at some point, and maybe they don't own a house right now, or maybe they're afraid of losing their house. So what you can do is you can create a small guide that teaches them how to solve a small problem. So the first thing I would say is I create a guide that teaches how to get bill collectors to stop calling. How do you get bill collectors to stop calling you every single day? So you can do a free guide that's like how to get bill collectors to stop calling even if you don't have the money to pay them. And I know there's an answer there. I mean, if you don't have the money to pay them, it could be doing bankruptcy. And I mean, I don't know exactly. I've never been through a bankruptcy, but I'm pretty sure that when you file for bankruptcy, the attorney sends out a letter, and then all the bill collectors have to stop calling. So that's one way you could do it. If there's any other tricks that about how to get bill collectors to stop calling, if you can do something like that. Anything like that would be really good. So, for example, if you know that people want to buy a house, or if they want to fix their credit, or if they want to do all this stuff, you basically create a free guide that shows them step-by-step how to do that. And what you want to do, it's very important that you teach the why and not necessarily the how. And the difference of that is you're going to say, well, if you wanted the bill collectors to stop calling, you can do this and you can do this. And you want to talk about their options, and you want to talk about, so for example, let's say the answer is bankruptcy, right? If you've got so many bills that you can't pay them and bill collectors won't stop calling, the only way to get them to stop calling is they have to get a letter from some sort of government agency that says, you are not allowed to call this person anymore because they're now in bankruptcy. So what you would do is you create a free guide that says, well, when you file for bankruptcy, one of the benefits is that, all the bill collectors have to stop calling, because once you file, when you hire our firm, or whenever a client hires our firm, the first thing we do is we file this motion, and we file this with the court, and then we send a letter out to every single one of your creditors, and then they have to stop calling, and the phone will not ring again. So that's one way you can do it. And then you can kind of open up the conversation, and then you just keep following up and following up. And then in that cheat sheet, you can follow up and say, if you'd like a free debt consultation or a free debt review or something like that, or if you'd like a custom plan to get bill collectors just to stop calling you, then call us for a free consultation. That's how I would do it. So what you do is you run Facebook ads for the solution to the problem that they have. And it works really well, because, I mean, nobody wants a bankruptcy. Nobody wants to hire a bankruptcy attorney. What they want is they want they want the bill collector to stop calling, or they want the credit cards to go away, or they want to be able to consolidate all their bills into one affordable payment. So that's what you do. You create solutions to problems that they have, advertise the solution, capture their information, and then just follow up with them. So that's how I would do it. And you just do it using Facebook ads.